Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy the Juice again, back in this for another video. This time we're gonna be doing another unboxing of a package that I got from Amazon. Now I know what's in it, but I'm gonna give you a little chance to guess. But of course that's stupid because you probably read my my title and could tell what's in it. So it is what it is. Anyways, without further ado, let's open the box and see what's inside. This tape is pretty strong and I don't have a knife nearby, but it is what it is. Alright, come on, edit this out. Okay, so essentially what's inside, it's a Sony 85mm F1.4 lens, G Master. Now, those of you who are familiar with my channel knows that I've been slowly, or probably quicker than slow, but anyways, I've been making the transition from Canon to Sony. I mean, I still shoot with my Canon cameras. I have the 5D Mark III and the Canon 60 version 1. I still tend to use those depending on where I'm shooting, but I got a Sony 7 III basically for Christmas, and that kind of opened my appetite for mirrorless cameras. It's very exciting shooting with them, so I've been upping my game by getting native glasses. So enough about me. Let's open this. Now, this 85mm lens, it's pretty good for portraiture, for those of you who are familiar with photography. Oh, let me get this out. I'm very clumsy today. Nothing else in the box other than, of course, paper, wasted paper. Throw that on the side. Now, one thing about Sony, I realize all their higher level lens, they tend to have these types of cases, just like Canon. No, not just like Canon, because only one L lens I ever bought from Canon that actually had a case, and that was a 70-200 f2.8. Now, so far for Sony, I have the same 70-200 f2.8. I have the 24-70 2.8, and now the 85mm f1.4. And so far, all three of them came in this kind of casing, which is pretty impressive. So let's open this bad boy up. And of course, you have more protection, more plastic. I mean, anything it takes to get your product in one piece. Now, this is the lens cover. Nothing else is in the case other than the strap to carry the case over your shoulder. So again, put all that on the side. Now, this lens is pretty heavy compared to the 85 1.8, which is somewhat smaller. Again, this lens here is mainly for portraiture, but you know, some people get creative and use it for other types or styles of shooting, video or landscaping, depending on what they're shooting. But it's supposed to be very good in low light and supposed to give you that buttery type bokeh in the background. So that was one of the main reasons I got this. Now, a part of me wanted to wait until the 135 came out at the end of April, but 135, that's a very long focal length, and I can't see myself spending $1,800 on a lens that's, you know, kind of a, you know, the one-trick pony. I just can't, because I could probably get similar quality pictures using my 70-200. So I don't think I'm ever gonna get that, but who knows. So yeah, so in essence, this here is the 85mm 1.4. I won't get too much into the technical specs because again, you can find this lens reviewed or various people's opinions on YouTube or even on Google. So what I am going to do is I'm going to spend the next couple of days or weeks testing it out, and I will come back to you with my personal opinion about this lens, especially pairing it with my 87R3. So if you want to get my opinion, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know there's a bell next to it apparently that could notify you on when I drop another video. So I would really appreciate if you would do that. So until next time, God bless.